The video opens with a cinematic shot of the all-new 2024 GMC car cruising down a scenic highway at sunrise, the golden light reflecting off its sleek, muscular body. As the camera circles the vehicle, we see the bold front grille and sharp LED headlights cutting through the early morning mist. The transitioning frame highlights the aerodynamic lines that give the car a sense of movement even when standing still. The video shifts to an interior view, where we step inside the luxurious cabin. Rich leather seats with contrast stitching, a futuristic dashboard with a large infotainment screen, and a panoramic sunroof all underscore the car's premium feel. The ambient lighting casts a soft glow, making the spacious interior feel both inviting and advanced. Next, the video demonstrates the car's powerful performance. Off-road shots capture the GMC handling rugged terrains with ease, showcasing its sturdy build and advanced suspension system. Seamless cutting to driving in the city grid highlights the versatility, where it maneuvers through tight spaces effortlessly. A quick shot under the hood reveals a state-of-the-art engine, emphasizing the blend of power and efficiency. In between these sequences, close-up shots meticulously highlight key features such as the advanced driver assistance systems, touch-sensitive controls, and customizable driving modes. Slow-motion segments accentuate the meticulous craftsmanship, from the polished chrome accents to the finely tuned engine components. The video concludes with the GMC car parked atop a hill during sunset, the camera panning out to capture the expansive landscape. The brand logo and slogan appear on the screen, leaving the viewer with a lasting impression of the vehicle's unmatched fusion of luxury and ruggedness. Throughout the video, smooth transitions maintain a clean, modern aesthetic and high-quality, well-lit visuals align perfectly with the brand's image. The sharp visuals and the detailed portrayal of the car ensure that the audience is left with a lasting sense of awe and desire for the 2024 GMC.